It's 2018. Make this the year you resolve to grow. As many of us commit to New Year's resolutions, we here at Stutzmans want to encourage you to garden. For January, we'll share reasons why gardening is a great resolution for this year. It turns out Mom was right when she said the skin of vegetables is good for you. The highest amount of vitamins and nutrients are contained within the vegetable skin and the layer directly beneath it. Fruits and veggies have a ton of fiber. A lot of people know this one already, but what they don't know are the benefits of fiber. It can help keep your bowel movements regular, help lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and help you feel fuller longer. Pretty much all the things that can lead you to feeling healthier, losing weight, and eating less bad food. There are health benefits to gardening. It reduces stress and anxiety. Getting out in the garden at the end of a busy day reduces your stress levels and mental fatigue. In one study, participants performed a stressful activity and then were assigned 30 minutes of gardening or 30 minutes of indoor reading afterwards. Both reduced stress, but gardening had a significantly bigger impact. Fruits and vegetables are nutritious in every form. It's a widely popular rumor that frozen veggies and fruits aren't as nutritious as their fresh counterparts. This simply isn't true. Studies by the FDA have confirmed that any decrease in nutrition from freezing vegetables is slight at best. So you can eat it fresh, frozen, or even drink it and you'll get the same benefits. Do keep in mind that if you drink it, it has to be 100% juice. A brand with only 10% is obviously not going to be more nutritious.
Veggie fact.
Veggie fact. Many green vegetables provide a great source of vitamin C and vitamin B, which are particularly good for our health. The facts are that this food group can also help us to lose weight. Gardening decreases your risk of heart disease and diabetes. Gardening keeps you active and reduces stress levels, and this means it can help prevent heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and other associated lifestyle diseases. Plus, eating nutritious whole foods that you grow is great for your heart health too. Woohoo! We hope these tips have inspired you to resolve to grow in 2018. Be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button for even more tips on gardening, decor, and so much more. To get a giggle or perhaps a groan every morning, plus be in the know about all things happening at Stutzmans, like us on Facebook.